Hi everyone, welcome to Design School MC. In this video, I will create water drop icon design, and I will create this icon using line style. Okay, first I will change my background color. Double click on the fill and change scroll over here. Click OK. Maybe I need to change this color a little bit darker. Maybe over here. Click OK. Alright, and select the pen tool over here. Zoom in. Create a line like this. Zoom out. Okay, like that. Maybe I need to change this color using green color. Maybe over here. Click OK. Click this point. Click here. Click here. Scroll like that. Click here and scroll like that. Click here. Scroll like that. And click here. And close this point. And select direct selection tool. Click this point. Little bit going up. In this line. Edit like this. Maybe I need to put this point a little bit on the right, maybe like that. In this point too, like this. Okay, that looks good. And zoom out. I will create a circle object like that. Maybe I will remove this line. I will create water shape first. Click here, zoom in. Click here, scroll like that. Click here and click over here and scroll down. Click this point and close this point. Select direct selection tool. Click this. Click. Select this point and put over here. Click this point and scroll like this. Zoom out. Zoom in. Okay. Select this point. Click this point and scroll down. Click this point. Scroll over here. And this point too. Over here. Okay. That looks good. I will combine this object, become one, go to part finder and click unit. That looks good. Okay, and I will create a line. Select the pen tool over here. Click here, scroll like that. Click here, scroll like that. And click here, scroll like that. Click this point and click here. You can follow me. Or you can create your own line using your idea. Click here, scroll going up and click this point and close this point and select this point and move over here. I need to edit this point to make this line look smooth. Maybe like this. A little bit down. Click this point and scroll on the right. This point, a little bit down. Okay, that looks good. Maybe this line I will make it look smooth. Okay, that looks good. And duplicate this line, but change the size a little bit small like that. And put over here, change the rotation like this. Put over here. Maybe I need to change the color using white color. Scroll on the white, click OK. And duplicate this circle. I mean this line. Put a little bit down. Maybe like that. Duplicate this line. And put over here. Put over here. A little bit on the right. Okay, like that. And I will group this line. and duplicate this line, put in front, put over here, right click, select group, and put this line over here, maybe a little bit going up, a little bit down. Okay, that looks good. And select this water shape, go to Pathfinder and click minus front. Okay, that looks good. Right click, select ungroup. Maybe I will group this object. Right click, select group, and change the color over here. This is my color code, and click OK. Maybe over here. Scroll a little bit going up, and over here. Click OK. Zoom out. And change the size a little bit bigger. Put this water icon on the center. Maybe like that. Okay, that looks good. And select the background, change the color a little bit darker, maybe over here. Click OK. Alright, I think that looks good. Okay guys, I hope you learned something in this video, and if you have a question you can leave a comment below in my YouTube channel. And if you are happy with my video tutorial, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get new video tutorial every time I upload new video. And you can go to my YouTube channel in Design School MC. Don't forget in Design School MC, and you can watch more video tutorial, and see you on the next video.